Hey, what if you could turn 30-second videos into high-ticket commissions without having your own product, tech experience, or even a big following? Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly what people are learning to do inside the 7-Figure Accelerator by Philip Johansen. This isn't just another course with recycled information. It's a complete beginner-friendly system designed to help everyday people build real income streams using affiliate marketing. And it's all centered around short-form content like Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. The promise? Simple, high-converting funnels, done-for-you email sequences, and weekly live coaching that actually keeps you accountable. You're never left to figure things out on your own. Inside the program, you'll get step-by-step video lessons that walk you through choosing the right offers, building a magnetic personal brand, creating scroll-stopping content, and even closing high-ticket sales without spending anything on paid ads. And the support? It's next level. There's a tight-knit community where members share wins, ask questions, and grow together. It's not just a course. It's an environment built for momentum. Many people start seeing results within their first few weeks. Of course, it depends on the effort you put in, but there's something powerful about following a blueprint created by someone who's gone from struggling to scaling a multi-six-figure business using these exact methods. No course is a magic button. It takes work. But if you're serious about building an online income and want a proven shortcut that actually works, this might be the moment that changes everything for you. So why not take the first step? Click the link in the description to join the 7-Figure Accelerator and start building your dream income today. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And if this kind of content helps you out, make sure to subscribe. It's completely free.